present my presenting self and my perceived self. My presenting self is the way that I present myself to others, and my perceived self is the way that I see myself. So I interviewed some of my coworkers and some of my classmates, and they came up with words that they think that I present myself to them. So they said that I'm focused because I I focus on like my schoolwork and work work. I'm generous because I'm very kind to all people. I'm straightforward because I tell it like it is, and I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm greedy because I love to eat cookies, cakes, sweets, chips, everything. And I'm friendly because I'm very nice to everybody. Now I'm going to talk about my perceived self, the way that I see myself to others. I see myself as trustworthy because I trust people. I mean, people trust me with their secrets, anything. Fun because I like to go out and party. Talented because I excel in anything that I do. Adventurous because I like to go out and do workout activities, anything that's outside. And caring because I care about other people's feelings, and that's why I am very caring. So this is the way that people see that I see myself, and this is the way that people see